regret this or what? Okay, this was a bad idea. Hello everybody, Wheel Stories. I'm excited to be out in the garage and getting set for a ride. I think today I'm going to take the silver BMW out for a spin, and you know what? This could be my last ride of 2020. Now look at that. That's why it's probably going to be my last ride of the riding season. That's the current temperature in Boise right now, 66 degrees, sunny skies, but look ahead. What is that? Sunday, snow. Wednesday of next week, snow, and then a dramatic temperature drop. At any rate, I can't control the weather, and there's no time like the present. So let's pull the bike out of the garage and get this show on the road. Out on my bike, I strike for the desert. I need to get away from town, away from the city. I'm in no mood for crowds or riding on busy streets. So right now you're going to see some wide open, long, empty roads with the horizon far in the distance. I ride south on the Western Heritage Historic Byway toward the Snake River into the wild. Out here in southwest Idaho, I'll see some wide expanses of emptiness. Now I'm feeling the urge to ride some dirt. Here we go. I've been down this stretch of back road once before, many years ago. With that lone rocky butte standing in the distance, doesn't look like there's anybody out here today. Good. Yeah, it is just super nice out here. Super, super nice. So I've arrived at initial point. It is a dormant volcano located south of Kuna, south of Boise, out near the Snake River in the desert. God, my hair just keeps getting longer and longer. I have not had a haircut since March. One time I had come out here with my dog in my pickup. Back when my dog Lexi, a black lab who passed away this year, was still kind of a puppy, maybe a year old. The plan was to climb to the top of this thing, top of the volcano. My dog had other ideas. Whistle pigs were out here running around, and she just darted straight after him out of the truck and went running. She took off running, and very soon was just a little black dot on the horizon. So I took off after her and got a lot of exercise in the process, huffing and puffing across the desert. Finally caught up to her, grabbed her by the collar, gave her some severe scoldings, and dragged her back to the pickup, and we were exhausted. We never got up to the top of the hill. Dogs were frustrating. She was a joy, but yeah, I remember her, and I remember that day very fondly, I guess. Anyway, I might have to climb today. I'm gonna drive up here a little bit further, try to find the trailhead, and climb to the top of the dormant volcano. Riding the bike in the dirt. I don't know how wise this is, especially when I'm by myself and there is nobody out here. Yeah! Whoa! I just hope I can turn around. Whoa! Am I gonna regret this or what? Okay, this was a bad idea. I'm gonna have to leave the bike right here. We'll finish the rest of this on foot. Okay. That's gonna work, I think. What the heck is that? Looks like there's a big fire out there somewhere in the desert. I hope that's a controlled burn. What is going on over there? Yeah, that doesn't look safe. I don't think I would get near that damn thing. What's that virus that mice carry? Can't think of the name. Hantavirus. It's probably stocked full of that stuff. So for my motorcycle, the trail ends here. Gosh, I don't know if this was a good idea or not, but I think I can get turned around here. But right now I'm gonna go hike. Good God. Onward. Okay, that must be the trail. What was that, a fish? How the hell did that get out here? I'm gonna be dirty when this day is over with. Covered with dust. I think my motorcycle is hidden over here in the shadow of those rocks. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Whew. And the story about my dog, when she went running, it was in that direction over there. And I chased and chased and chased her. Whew. Oh well. Lexi, rest in peace. That wasn't a tough hike at all. Oh well. Means I have time for more riding. Let's get back to the bike and see if I can get that thing turned around. And we will go. The adventure continues. Okay, I'm going to go that way, back it up, and then go that way. This was not a good idea. Let's see if I can just walk it out. How's that? Got it. Okay. Back on the bike. At least I pointed in the right direction. Yeah.